हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लेट्स लर्न विथ नयन। आपने लोग सबके स्वागतम जनाइछु मोर यूट्यूब चैनल लेट्स लर्न विथ नयन। सो इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट एक्सरसाइज 2.2 class 9 polynomials. Okay, so first question is what? Find the value of polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at this. Okay, so we will try to solve solution number 1. Okay, 1 okay, at x equal to 0. So this is our polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So at x equal to 0 we can write it also x what, px, okay, equal what, and then p, we will write this value here p0, that means what, 5 in this x place we will put here 0, minus is there, we will put here minus, 4 is there, we will put it 4, and x square we will put it as for 0, and then plus 3. Okay, so you can see 5 into 0 0, 4 into 0 square, it means 0, it will become 0, and plus 3, it will come as what, plus 3. So this is the value of polynomial, okay, plus 3. Okay, next we will do this number 2, when or at whatever you want you can write at x equal to minus 1, px equal what, 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Okay, so we will put here minus 1, x value is what, minus 1, we will put here minus 1, 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3. Okay, so you understood this line, very simple. There is x, so we just put here the value of x. You can see minus 1, I just put here minus 1. Again you can see minus is there, minus 4 is there, 4 x square, in this x we can write minus 1, in this case there we just put, I just put it here, plus 3 is there, so I just put here plus 3. Okay, next move forward, 5 into 1 5, and plus 1 minus 1 become what, minus. Okay, minus, and acha, minus 4 is there, and you can see minus 1 square, minus 1 square means what, minus 1 into minus 1, isn't it? So this you can see minus, and also you can see there is minus, minus become plus, and 1 become 1. Okay, so what value we will find here, we will find 1. Okay, and then plus 3 is there. Okay, next you can see minus 5 minus, and 4 1 ja 4, okay, plus 3. So what value will come out, this minus 9 plus 3, so what value will come out, minus 6. Okay, so this is our solution of number 2, and then number 3 we are going to find. Okay, so what is at x equal to 2? Okay, at x equal to 2, how can we write, px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So you can see in this x plus what we can put, we can put 2, so it will what, 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 square plus 3. Okay, next you can see 5 2 ja 10 minus 2 2 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. Okay, plus 3. So what value will come, this is 3 and this is 10, it will what, 13 minus 16, what value will come, it will come minus 3. This is the solution of number 3. Okay, so hope you answered this one, it's very simple, we can say. Okay, so move forward to question number 2. What is the question number 2? Find p0, p1, p2 for each of the following. Same way we will do. Okay, so question number 1 is what? Question number 1 to 1 solution. So p0, at p0 y square minus y plus 1. Okay, so what we will do, we will put here as 0 in place of y. Okay, so 0 square minus 0 plus 1. So what value will come? It will come 0 minus 0 plus 1. It will come 1. Okay, so the in first case it come 1. Okay, then p0, p1. What is the question? Y square minus y plus 1. So you can see y means what? 1 square minus y means what? 1, then plus 1. So you can see 1 square means what? 1 minus 1, and also plus 1 is there. Can we cut it? 1 is find out. Okay, next you can see at p2. Okay, so y square minus y plus 1, we will put here 2. Okay, 2 square minus 2 plus 1. You can see 2 to the 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 1 5 minus 2, it come what? 3. So this is the solution of 2 1. Okay, so hope you understood. This one is very simple, same way we just did. Nah. Okay, next move forward to question number 2. Pt equal what? 2 plus t plus 2 t square minus t cube. Okay, 2 plus t plus 2 t square minus t. Okay, first what? P equal to 0. Directly I am doing here. P equal to what? 0. So we will put it as what? P t na, second I am doing. P t means what? 0. Okay, so 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube. Okay, so what value will come out? 2. Then 0 plus what? 2 into 0 square, that means 0 minus 0. So what value will come out? This is negligible, only 2 will left. Okay, so next at p equal to 1, we will do p equal to 1. You can see. So what value will come out? 2 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 square minus 1 cube. Okay, so next you can see 2 plus 1 equal what? 3. And then what? 2 into 1 square 1, and 2 1 2. Okay, minus 1 is there. So what will come out? 5 minus 1, that means what? 4. Okay, so this one is also very simple. Next we will do for what? This 2. Okay, so this 2 plus 2 plus, in place of this 2 I just put here 2, again this 2, and again 2 square. T square means what? 2 square minus 2 cube. Okay, understood? Very good. Next you can see 2 to 4. What? 2 to 4 plus this 2 and 2 square. 2 square means what? 2 to the 4, and 4 to the 8, minus what? 2 cube means what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So we can write it here 8. You can see this is plus 8, this is minus 8. If you have 8 rupees in your hand, then if you give me 8 rupees, then nothing will present. So we can cut it directly. Okay, this 4 will come. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 2. Hope you understood. Next, what is the third number? Px equal to x cube. You can see Px equal to x cube. So that one is very simple. P equal to 0. At what? P equal to 0. The Px equal to 0. So what we can write? This in this x plus, it will come as what? 0, and cube is there, so 0. Okay, same way we will do in place of what? 1. If we put in place of x 1, then what value will come out? This 1 cube. 1 cube means what? 1. Okay, same way we will do in place of 2. That means what? 2 will come, na? Sorry, cube. 2 cube will come. So 2 cube means what? 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Okay, that one is also very simple. Okay, next you can see that one is little bit puzzle for you, I think. Okay, px equal what? X minus 1 and then what? X plus 1. Px equal to x minus 1, x plus 1. So at what? P naught will what? We will put here only 0 minus 1, 0 plus 1. You can see 0 minus 1 means what? Minus 1. Again what? Plus 1. Plus minus become minus. 1 1 ja 1. Okay, very simple. At P 1, what will come? 1 minus 1. In place of this x I put here x 1, and again in place of this x I will put here 1 and plus 1. So you can see 1 minus 1 means 0 into 2. 1 plus 1 2. It will also become 0. Then third one at P equal to 2. Okay, so we can write as what? This in this x place we can write here what? 2. Minus 1 is there, we will put here minus. In this x plus we can write here 2. Plus 1 is there, we will put here plus. 2 minus 1, that means here 1, and 2 plus 1, that means 3. So what will come out? 3 1 ja 3. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 4. Sorry, this is question number 4. Okay, so hope you understood this one also. Okay, so move forward to the next question. Okay, so next question you can see, verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial, indicate against them. Okay, verify, you have to verify that this according to in this case x, if we put the value, then if it becomes 0, then we will say that zeros of polynomial, and if it becomes not 0, then we will say it is not the 0 of polynomial. Okay, so we will try to solve this 3 1. Okay, so what is the question? Px equal to 3x plus 1. Okay, you can see px equal to 3x plus 1 comma x minus x equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay, so at p minus 1 by 3, directly I just put here px equal to what? Minus 1 by 3. We can write it here 3 into, in this x place we will put it here minus 1 by 3. Okay, and then plus 1 is there. So you can see 3 3 cancel, and what left? Minus 1. Okay, minus 1 left, and there is plus 1. So you can write it was 0. Yes, so we can say that this is a 0 of polynomial. This is a zeros of polynomial. Zeros of polynomial. Okay, so simple, I think. Okay, I just put here the value of x. What is this value of x? Minus 1 by 3. You can see this is minus 1 by 3, and then we can cut. This is upper portion, this is lower portion. Same thing we can cut, and then minus 1 only left, and here is plus 1 only left. Plus minus again it came, then 0 comes out. So we can say that it is a 0 of polynomial. Okay, next one you can see number 2. What is the question? Px equal to 5x minus pi. Okay, so next question is what? Px equal to 5x minus pi, and what? X equal to 4 by 5. Okay, what is the value of x? X equal to 4 by 5. So we will solve this one also. See, p in this x we will write this one 4 by 5. Okay, and you can see this x 5 into, in place of this x we will put here what? 4 by 5, and minus pi is there, we will put here minus pi. Okay, so you can see this is lower portion, this is upper portion, same thing we can cut there. what left? 4 and minus pi. You know what's the value of pi? 22/7 and approximately 3.14 something. Okay, so we can put here 3.14 or not? Yes, but this is not 0, is not equal 0, isn't it? So we can write that this is not a 0 of polynomial. Okay, so next you can see question number 3. Question number 3 is what? Px equal x square minus 1 comma x equal to plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, very simple. We can say at p1. Okay, so if we put here in this x plus 1, so 1 square will come 1. So what we can see, this x 1 square means what? 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0. Yes, very simple. Again we can write again at p minus 1. Okay, so what will come in this x plus, we can write minus 1 square and then minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 means what? Minus minus plus, 1 1 ja 1 and minus 1. Okay, it becomes 0. So yes, this is what what 0 of polynomial. Okay, we have to write that. Yes, it is a 0 of polynomial. Okay, next one you can see number 4. What is the number 4? X plus 1 and then what? X minus 2, where x equal to minus 1 comma 2. Okay, x plus 1, x minus 2 and what? X equal to minus 1 comma 2. Okay, we will prove at p what? Minus 1. What we can write in this x plus, we will put here what? Minus 1 and then plus 1. Same way we will put here what? Minus 1 minus 2. Okay, you can see this is minus, this is plus, same thing. If we have 1 rupee and if you give 1 rupee, 0 will present. Okay, we can write 0 and then what? Minus 1 and minus 2 minus 3. So leave it, it will become 0. Again second one is given at what? At p2. So what value we will put in this x? We will put here now 2, plus 1 is there, we can put plus 1. So next you can see this is what? X, and here we will put here 2. Okay, so next you can see minus 2 is there. Okay, so 2 plus 1 3 and 2 minus 2 0. It will become what? 0. Yes, it is a 0 of polynomial. Okay, it is a 0 of polynomial. Okay, next one you can see number 5. Very simple. X square, px equal to x square comma x equal to 0. Okay, px equal to x square and x equal to 0. So what value will come? What value will come? In this x place we will put here 0. Okay, so if we put here 0, you can put here 0 square. That means what? 0. Very simple. Yes, it is a polynomial of what? 0. Yes, it is 0 of polynomial. Okay, it is 0 of polynomial. Okay, number 6. What? Question number 6. Px equal what? Lx plus m. Okay, Lx plus m, where x equal what? Minus m by n, m by l. Okay, so this one is also very simple solution. P x, in this x place I will put here what? Minus m by l, you can see. Okay, next you can see in this l you just leave it. Okay, and this in x place we will put it here minus m by l. Okay, plus m is there. Okay, so you can see this is plus l and this is also l, we can cut, and there is what left? Minus m, and there is what? Plus m. So what value? This is m and this is also become m, same value, that means what? We can write it as what? 0. Plus minus become greater digit sign, but there is same digit, so we can say as what? 0. That is what? This is the this is what? The 0 of polynomial. It is a, yes, it is a 0 of polynomial. Hope you did this 7, 8 nicely. Okay, so next question is what? Find the zeros of polynomial in each of the following cases. Okay, in each of the following cases you have to find the 0 of polynomial. Okay, see question number 1. Okay, question number 1 solution we will do now. You can see what? Px equal what? X plus 5. Acha, listen, can we write it like this? X plus 5 equal to 0, isn't it? Yes. So what we can write? X equal to, it is in this left side of the equal sign. If we move it into the right side of the equal sign, then it will become what? Minus 5. Okay, so this is what? 0 of polynomial of these cases. This minus 5 is the 0 of polynomial. Okay, minus 5 is the 0 of polynomial. Okay, so simply you can say like that. Okay, same way we will do this one. Px equal to 5 x minus 5, x minus 5. Okay, so you can see Px equal to x minus 5. Can you write this like that? X minus 5 equal to 0. Yes, then you can see x equal to minus 5 become plus 5, isn't it? So there will be what? In this case we can write plus 5 is the what? Plus 5 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Achha, of given you just add. Okay, given polynomial. Okay, next you can see what is the question number 3? Px equal to 2x plus 5. Question number 3 what? Px equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, so can we write like this? 2x plus 5 equal to 0, isn't it? Yes. So next you can see 2x equal to minus 5, isn't it? Yes, we just move into that equal side. Okay, right side of the equal. X equal to what? Minus 5 by 2. So this what the question answer come like minus 5 by 2 is the 0 of given polynomial. Okay, hope you understood this one. Next you can see question number 4. Okay, so what is the question number 4? Px equal what? 3x minus 2. Okay, can you write like this? This 3x equal to 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Yes, we can write. Then what will happen? 3x equal to, if we move this that side, then it will become plus 2. Okay, then you can see this x will be what? 2 by 3. Okay, so we can write that therefore this 2 by 3 is the 0 of given polynomial. Okay, answer this one. Next you can see question number 5. Okay, question number 5 is what? px equal to 3x. Okay, can you write this 3x equal to 0? Yes. Next you can see x will be what? 0 by 3, that means what? 0. So we can write 0 is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, so very simple. Next you can see number 6. Okay, px equal to ax, where a is not equal 0. Okay, you can see ax equal to 0, we can write. Yes, we can write. Then what will happen if we keep this x this side and if we keep that 0 that side? That means 0 by a, that means what? 0, isn't it? Sorry, that will be what? 0 by a. Okay, so you can see I am explaining this one. Ax equals 0. Now how we have to find this 0? Here in this x place, if we put here 0 by a, then what will come? 0, that means 0, isn't it? So like that way we can do 0 is the polynomial 0, or we can say 0 by a is the given 0 of given polynomial. Okay, next you can see question number 7. What is the question number 7? Px equal to cx plus d. Okay, so can we write like that? Cx plus d equal to 0. Yes. Okay, then what? Cx, if we keep on left side and if we move this to right side, then what happen? Minus d will come. Okay, so next you can see x will be what? Minus d by c. So we can write it like this: minus d by c is the 0 of given polynomial. This is all about the chapter 2 polynomial. Okay, exercise 2.2. okay, hope you understood this one. If you like, please comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.